and I am explaining about the cloud computing strategies. And every company have a private, public, and hybrid cloud strategies. It means public cloud strategies we can access from anywhere, and everyone can access that. As an example, YouTube is a main example. You can access videos from anywhere, and every users can access. And private cloud, only those who have memberships can access the cloud platform. Hybrid, both public and private cloud members can access them. And the cloud services, in which there are three types: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. First, infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service, as an example, can I say building infrastructures.
You just ask your friends about the example. Okay, you itself don't explain, Pradesh. You just get an idea from your friends, so that the class will be interaction. Yeah. Okay. What is infrastructure? For their view, what is infrastructure? You just raise the question. Then, based upon their solution, you just link the concept with this. Okay.
Does anyone know about infrastructure? It's a general topic used in civil engineering, civil practice.
Anyone raise up an answer, yeah. Shida, what is infrastructure? This
infrastructure in the sense, you can say,
basic building blocks, okay?
As like Archana said, infrastructure is just a base plans. After we build the house, in that inside the house, whatever properties, whatever decoration we needed, we are adding it. As like companies, most of them use a computer, and they have minimum amount of specifications that cannot run all the operations. So they ask for the other companies about the virtual machines. In that virtual machine is infrastructure. They give a virtual machine based on the specifications. After that, they have installed softwares and applications which can run it. And another thing is a platform as a service. As same as the infrastructure as a service, it also has a virtual machine. But in the infrastructure as a service, we need to update all the softwares and applications. It is a time-delaying task. So in platform as a service, company members ask the other companies about virtual machines and the software they needed. And the company manages and install every software in the virtual machines. The IT companies and every employee's task is to use only app and login. That is it. And software as a service. Even though we are using Jio Cinemas and Netflix Prime, it also has software as a service.
Yes. On these things, the cloud services will be explained in detail by Bharani and Arun. Okay, they have a detailed topic about this. Just they covered how the data storage is happening. That is this cover the outline alone. Okay. Yes. And we just interact based upon the applications. Software as a service. What an application we can have?
Software as a service we have on Netflix and Prime Video. It all has it is a software service. Every Netflix users have a storage background. Our information, mail ID and password has been stored in the cloud storage. Whenever we need to access, we can access those data as stored in the background, and we use to log in just by clicking known password and known email IDs.
Yes, while presenting Bharani and Arun, you bring the examples. Okay, you just make the images, display the images. For example, Google search engine. It comes under which service? Google search engine platform. Okay, so likewise you just bring the example and give a puzzle or quiz like that for your classmates. Okay, that will be more interesting. Okay, this is how your class should be. Okay? Yes, finally sum up Gokul and Pradesh. That's all for your topic today. We just do the sum up now.
So in today's class, we learned about how cloud computing is used in data collection for IoT application. So the major point of using cloud for IoT applications is mainly cost. Because cloud computing costs, you will be never paying upfront for any cloud services. You will be only using them and you will be paying on the go. That means means you will be paying only when you use their service and how much you use for. That way you will be paying. That is the major success point of cloud computing, and that is why mainly it is adopted in industries and other places. So that is how IoT and cloud computing combine.